today we're going to be cutting up the turf. I'm going to walk you through the process. I don't know where I came up with it. I think I watched some YouTube and stole their ideas. So what I did was took a paper bag, laid it out, trimmed it, and if you watch the video you'll be able to see all that. But to summarize, trimmed it up. This is like 10 pieces of paper towel, and so now there's a little bit extra, but I figured better to have too much than not enough, right? So I'll just trim in here just a tiny bit when I go and lay it. Actually, you know, I might not even do that, because if I push it down enough, it might go up the edges a little. But I think the hardest part was footholds, or where it wraps around, because I'm really not sure how I'm going to wrap this around yet. If it stretches very much, I don't know. There'll probably be relief cuts in here, so I just kept this side long. That's the color coding. Actually, inside the footholds came out pretty nice. I'm not sure how much of this you're going to be able to see. Now the footholds aren't exactly the same on both sides, as you can see. Yeah, so how I made them is I put plastic over the shoes I'm wearing with some cardboard on the top and on the top of the shoe and on the bottom of the shoe, and basically saran wrapped around my shoe and then fiberglassed around that, and that's how it came out. I think it came out really well, actually. They're really strong, real thick. Yeah, so down here I think I only want to go around like an inch or so down over to here, just because I don't really know. I don't really know how to do all this stuff right, so I'm learning in the process. If you have any advice, I appreciate it. If you get me the advice soon enough, I might be able to apply it when I go and actually stick this down. Now I have some Weldwood. I think it's like rubber cement or something. Weldwood? Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, my back. It's hurting today. Pinched a nerve or something in my neck. Yeah, so I also did some other stuff off camera last night. That really wasn't a whole lot. I basically just put these here, right? So I have some issues with this cable. I only have, what, 1/4 of an inch of play, and I need about an inch to really actuate the trim. Need about an inch. So the other thing is, has anybody ever shortened one of these cables? Because wherever I try and like mount the mount to hold all this, it doesn't really come out, right? So if it's there, I just put my GoPro in my mouth to show you that, because I needed 2 hands. So this cable's actually really way longer than I need. So I was thinking about like cutting it down here, keeping the inner core metal. I know what they look like inside because I cut up a different one, and I think it's possible to do for like a short-term deal. I know that water would get in and that wouldn't be ideal, but I figure if I spray enough silicone in there, it'll be alright for a while. Yeah, if you got any ideas for me on shortening the cable, let me know. I might go ahead and do that real soon. I got my throttle hooked up. Now if you notice the hood is got a big gap, it's because in this video I put a hood seal in this. Actually first I messed up and I put it on here and it did not come out at all, not even like a little bit. So then I decided to put it in on the hood itself in the valley, and that was after I took the sticker back off. And yeah, it's one of those learning experiences. Maybe I should have taped it down first and then tried the hood, but yeah. So also last night I put some zip ties on my fuel lines. I still got to trim those up. That's bothering me. And I actually took my, what is it called? Vacuum pump, and I tried to prime the carbs and then start it, and that didn't work, didn't fire up. So I got some new gas today because that was gas from before the winter. A little dirt, sorry. I got some gas this morning because the gas I had was from beginning of winter, or before winter, probably last summer. So I'm gonna mix that to, I think, about like 45 to 1, almost 50 to 1 for the first tank, because there is some gas in there and it's mixed really rich with oil. So I want it rich to begin with because this is a fresh top end, basically new bottom end. Just want it to be well lubricated, and yeah, I want it to break in nice. Woody. What are you doing? You got my paper bag? Oh, thank you. Good job. Give me 5. You got dirt all over your face. You got dirt all over your face. Are you helping, Daddy? Are you gonna drive? Say vroom vroom. Okay, watch Dad. Just watch. Don't touch. You pulled me over. And I also had my son take the covers off of these things last night. That Sea-Doo I actually got a really good deal on because it had a hole in the side. If I got a picture, I will drop that picture right now. I actually ended up repairing the side of the hull with that other parts one that I got, and that ski runs really nicely, but it's a Sea-Doo, so it's the 951, so we don't know how long those are gonna last. Yeah, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching YouTube. Thanks for watching my channel, and continue working on your projects, guys.